Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. I am very thankful to all the Learning Monkey viewers and a special thanks to subscribers. Please watch this video till the end and share it with all your friends. This is very helpful for us. How to take this complete campus placement training program for free of cost at Learning Monkey. This I am going to explain you at the end of the video. Before that, let me explain you what is this complete campus placement training program. So students will have so many confusions during the campus placement, whether they have to take the Infosys training, whether they have to take the TCS training, whether they have to take the Wipro training, like that they will have so many confusions. If you consider any campus placement exam, they are going to check for two skills in the students. The first skill they are going to check is what's the understanding of the students about programming language concepts. This is the first skill they are going to check in the students using MCQs, means multiple choice questions. The second skill they are going to check is the coding skills. Yes, Learning Monkey's complete campus placement training program completely focus on how to improve the standards of the students to understand this programming language and improve their coding skills. That is what the Learning Monkey complete campus placement training program is. So our focus completely on improving the student standards to reach to so that they can easily crack the placement exams. And the second confusion students will have is what subjects I have to study, how much depth I have to study those subjects, and what examples I have to do, and what practice tests, where I have to take these practice tests. So Learning Monkey focus on all these areas, taking all the placement exams into considerations. Students has to follow these four subjects. First one is C language, second data structures, then database management system. The fourth subject is any one object oriented programming language. You can choose any. Learning Monkey has chosen a Python program. So we explained all the concepts of all these subjects, and we explained multiple examples. These examples will help the students to easily do the practice tests. Multiple practice tests are available. So if you complete this campus placement training program, you can easily crack any campus placement exam regarding service-based companies like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Hexaware, all these companies. You can attend any one. Now let me show you how to take this complete campus placement training program in Learning Monkey for free of cost.
Okay. Coming to campus placement training program, you have to open the learningmonkey.in website. If you open this website, go to courses page. When you go to the courses page, this is how the list of courses that are available in our at Learning Monkey. These are all the courses. So in these courses, you have to pick the placement training for service based companies. This is the course you have to select. When you select this course, you will go to the course. In this course, we have the list of all the concepts are explained. Let me show you what's this. We started with C programming. We clearly explained that you have to study 4 subjects and the subjects are also arranged in the sequence one by one. So coming to the first subject you have to study is C programming. After completion of C programming, you have to study data structures. Then you have to go with Python, then database management systems. This is the sequence you have to follow. Just follow the sequence that provided here in our placements for service based companies course. Okay. So let me show you what's this. Introduction to C programming. You can, if you go into the page, you can watch the video format. You can hear the concepts in the video, or you can study the concepts. Both the text format and video format is available. You can take any of it. So see here, we started with the basics. All the concepts are explained. After completion, see here, we explained about C specifiers, escape sequence, arithmetic operators. After completion of the operators, we explained few practice examples. Practice examples on arithmetic operators, practice examples on ternary operators. Like that, we explained few examples. These examples will help you in solving the practice quiz. See, after completion of this operators, there is a quiz, C operators quiz for placement training. If you click on this, you can take the quiz. How to take the quiz? Let me show you. So you have to take this quiz, see operators quiz, and you click on. So the quiz page will be open. If you want to start the quiz, yes, you can start the quiz. The quiz contains total, each question carries, each carry 2 marks. Total time is 20 minutes. Total 10 questions are there. If you start the quiz time will start, and you can attempt the questions. You have to attempt the questions in the given time period. If you are taking long time, means you need more practice. So this is how the quiz, you have to take the quiz. After completion of this, if you finish the quiz, so you can see the solutions, and for some questions we have given the analysis also, how to solve these questions. Okay, this is how you have to check the quiz. After completion of this quiz, see, for each, after completion of each section, there is a quiz. Now the next section starts, loops and switch statements. Like this, all the concepts are explained. After that, some examples are explained in order to crack the placement quiz. This is how our course is designed. So after completion of the C language, means all the concepts, there will be a grand test. Here, let me show you. See, you can take the grand test. Like that, we keeps on updating the course according to the market requirements. Okay, you can take the grand test 1, grand test 2 and grand test 3. Then we have made some practice programs. If you watch these programs multiple times, you will understand how to do coding. For that, we collected different questions from different placement exams in the previous years, and we explained all those. We keeps on updating this according to the based on the market requirements and the new questions that are available in the market. Okay, this is how after completion of the C language, you can go with data structures. This is how you have to take this complete campus placement training program.
In the next videos, we will guide you how to study this campus placement training program, what are the difficulties that you are facing during the study, and how to overcome those, that we are going to explain in our coming videos. So please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.